So today I'm about to show you how to check for app updates in Flowit.io. Because Flowit is constantly releasing new features like Canvas 3.0, keeping your software updated ensures you get the fastest speeds and fewest bugs. If you are using the web app version, you don't need to do anything at all because it updates automatically every time you refresh your browser. However, if you are running the dedicated Flowit OS desktop application on Mac or Windows, checking for updates is a manual process. First, save your current work and completely close out the app. Next, instead of searching for check button inside the settings, the most reliable method is to head straight to the official Flowit documentation website. Download the latest installation package directly from their portal and overwrite your existing app file. This instantly forces a clean installation of the latest build. And that's it. That's how to check for app updates in Flowit.io. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.